We'll guide you through how to enable Gmail cookies on your desktop. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to the top right corner where you'll see three dots or lines, which is the menu icon. Click on it and select Settings from the dropdown. Once you're in the settings, look for a section called Privacy and Security. This is where you manage your cookie preferences. Click on Cookies and Other Site Data. Here, you need to make sure that Allow All Cookies is enabled. This option ensures that all cookies, including those for Gmail, are allowed, keeping your sessions active and personalized. If you want a bit more control or are concerned about privacy, you can choose Block Third-Party Cookies in Incognito. This way, Gmail cookies will still be enabled, but third-party cookies won't track you in incognito mode. It's important to note that blocking all cookies can disrupt how websites function, so allowing at least first-party cookies is crucial for Gmail to work properly. After making your selection, close the Settings tab and refresh your Gmail page. You should now have cookies enabled, which will help with smoother logins and better email management. Remember, enabling cookies is essential for services like Gmail that require persistent login sessions to offer a seamless experience. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.